What is up, everyone? Welcome to the Coaster Cafe. Today we are at Six Flags Great Adventure. I am in the exit line actually for Zumanjaro's drop tower. And here's El Toro. And I wanted to show you all the Rolling Thunder Hill. This is the hill that goes, this is El Toro's hill that goes over a piece of old track from Rolling Thunder. Great Adventure's old dueling coaster. Pretty interesting piece of history. It's kind of grown up around the old track. But yeah, Rolling Thunder was built first and then El Toro came along. And since it crossed over Rolling Thunder, they built this little bridge for El Toro. And then of course they took out Rolling Thunder years later and they kept this piece of track, which is pretty neat. Here's another view of Rolling Thunder's old track pieces. I'm a little bit closer now since I'm in the entrance line to Zumanjaro. I was over there earlier. And that'll do it for this video. Thank you for watching Coaster Cafe.
Hello, I'm Lucky94 and you're watching Coaster Cafe.